In the United States, there are 3,144 counties. Each of these counties are generally the taxing jurisdiction that serves to generate the county tax roll or the assessment records of real property. The tax roll is public information that typically contains taxes and special assessments, the amount paid and the amount due for all taxable real estate in the county. Tax assessment data is derived from properties and parcels. County assessors determine the value of each property based on the valuation and taxation laws within their particular jurisdiction, so they can collect taxes fairly. This could include collecting information on the characteristics of the building, comparable properties, and market activity, so the family who lives here is likely to have a lower assessed value and pay less in property taxes than the rock star who lives here. The assessors take many factors into account to determine the assessed value of the property to ensure it is fair and equitable when it comes time to pay property taxes. These factors come from the data they collect and provide to the public. It all starts with an assessor parcel number, or APN. Just like you have a Social Security number, every piece of land is assigned a unique number by the tax assessor for easy identification. APN may also be referred to by other names. Next is the location information, which describes the physical location of the property and can help you locate the specific parcel of land on a map. It is also used to group like parcels together that share location attributes, a lot of other like all of the parcels located within a certain subdivision. Now, land and lot information describes the specific attributes of the parcel of land, such as the land use. Whether the parcel is residential, including a single-family residence or house or a condominium, or commercial, like an office or a bank, or vacant, undeveloped land, and agricultural, plus other land and lot information that can include the zoning, the lot size including acreage, square footage, the front footage and the depth footage, the number of buildings, if any, and available utilities like water or sewer. Next up is the ownership and contact information. Ownership and contact information gives us information about who owns the parcel of land and the contact information of that owner. This information can also include current owner or owners of the parcel, the relationship of the owners to each other when there is more than one owner, and the ownership rights of the owners or how the property title is held. Building characteristics describe attributes of the structure built on a parcel of land. The availability of attributes varies from county to county. And finally, the value and taxes information describes the value of properties and how much property taxes are owed. Assessors determine the value of properties using a variety of methods, such as field inspection, structural measurement and calculations, sales analysis, market trend studies, and income and expense analysis. Depending on a county, different types of values and calculations may be used based on the tax and valuation laws in that particular county. So you may hear values referred to as assessed values, taxable values, appraised values, market values, or full cash values, all depending on what is available from the county. Tax information may also include the property tax information, which is the amount of taxes that the owner must pay to the assessor or tax collector. Tax information attributes typically include 1. Tax year, 2. Tax amount, 3. Tax exemptions, if any, 4. The tax rate area, 5. And sometimes the delinquent tax year if the taxes are delinquent. So, if you are a mortgage lender, attorney, appraiser, solar contractor, land surveyor, or any professional who depends on property-centric information, what is the best way to obtain all this public record information? Of course, many county assessors make this information available on their website for anyone to access. Thus, it is often referred to as public record data. Modern business professionals use the power and convenience of accessing the public record data First American acquires from county assessor files, which we make available through solutions like DataTree.com. In fact, much of the assessor data you just learned about is conveniently and clearly presented in DataTree's Property Detail Report. And here's just a few of the reasons First American is the best choice for public record data. First American collects, aggregates, standardizes, and quality checks the public record's property data as soon as it becomes available. Public record property data forms the basis of many of our data solutions. This allows for linking many of the different data assets together and allows us to create processes and unique solutions for our customers. First Americans offers more data than any other data provider in the industry, covering 100% of the U.S. population. Public record data. One more way First American is your data at your service choice.